What's up, guys? We are back here with another everything's regular auto auction update video, man. I know that's a long one, but we haven't been here in a while, man. Last week I think we missed it. I don't know what happened last week, but without further ado, man, we got a few cars on the list. We may be able to get something cheap in here. We did cop a new buy at Copart, another bike, of course. You know, those are our bread and butter. Stay tuned for that, as well as let's see if we can find something here. I know you guys been waiting for some more vehicles and autos and stuff like that. Getting back to it sooner than later. However, as for the truck, man, that thing should be out within the next video, so stay tuned for that, man. As far as the merch, man, go visit everythingsregular.com, man. Get the new merch. We got some new tees on there. Everything's regular on it, and it is embroidered, so it's high quality. As well with the everything regular on the shorts, man. You see how we rocking. But without further ado, if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get right into it now, shall we? Alrighty, guys. We got a lot of whips today, man. I don't even think this one is in the auction, but it's a 06 Pontiac G6, 92,000 miles. First glance, missing the grill there, no big deal. Headlights could be restored, or we can just grab some new ones. It looks like it had a sticker right here, so this thing was pretty messed up. If we take a quick look at the inside, it is a manual, so we don't want a manual and a Pontiac, so I'm gonna pass on that one. But what else we got here, man? We got a 08 Jeep Liberty, 41,000 miles on the clock. Definitely the car with the lowest miles in here. Pretty good looking Jeep, if you ask me. 41K on it, so whoever had it barely drove it. Take a look at the inside. It's got some nice beige interior in here. Pretty decent. Actually looks really good. I don't see anything that stands out to me. This one's probably gonna go for some cash tonight. 3.7 liter. Throw some nice meaty tires on this joint. Ooh, I thought I had something on my leg. Throw some nice meaty tires on this joint, you'll be good to go. But what y'all think, man? Let me know in the comments below. Looks like we got a 04 Honda Accord, 145,000 miles. Pretty decent looking Honda, if you ask me. We can pop the hood really quick just to see what it's looking like under the hood. Underneath, of course, it doesn't hold itself up, so they got that jack hole up in there. It looks like they had some music or something added to the car. But other than that, belts and everything, the motor itself looks pretty clean. And the mileage is pretty low, so this will probably be a fair ride, judging it comes through running good, no smoking or nothing like that. If you take a quick look at the inside, it does seem pretty fair. No rips or nothing like that on the seats. Seats are cloth, so that's going to be a little bit better. They're going to hold up a lot longer. Missing a little piece right there by the e-brake, but all in all, no big deal. I don't see anything that really stands out to me yet. This trunk is open. Does it close? I don't think the trunk closes. Okay, so looks like they got some music in there. They got a little box. They got a bat when stuff pop off. Then I guess this is blocking the trunk from closing, so I'm gonna leave that like that. So maybe when it comes through the auction, we may be able to get a deal on it, judging it runs good. So we'll just see what happens when it comes through. What you guys think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. We got a 07 Nissan Versa. Looks like 116,000 miles. I know the mileage seems really low, but you guys know these Nissans, man, it's either a hit or miss. If you don't have transmission problems, you might have them right after you buy it. But I mean, underneath the hood, everything looks to be, in order, but it does look pretty dusty and dirty up under there. It's actually 110,000 miles. So body looks pretty fair. Interior is a nice beige interior. You know, usually these light interiors, man, they be like so freaking whooped and all that. The back seats are a little whooped. Could use some good shampooing, of course, but would be a nice resale on that thing, judging that comes a lot cleaner, but I'm sure it will. This car is from Hawaii, so this may actually be a pretty decent car. So we'll keep our eye on this one. The mileage is low and everything, so we'll check it out when it comes through. We got a '07 Grand Prix here, man. It's not the GTP, not the supercharged version. Has 182,000 miles on that bad boy. No body damage from what I'm seeing so far. Headlights, of course, they look like all the other Pontiacs. Actually, I see one back there with some really nice clean headlights, so I'll take that back. This one is actually just whooped. But you're on a dummy wheel back there. If we take a look at the inside, this thing is pretty whooped. 182,000 miles. I don't even want to touch the seat on this thing. Like, y'all just see how them cloth seats look leather. I'm actually gonna be good on that, and I know you guys are too. So why waste my time? But what y'all think about it, man, let me know in the comments below. We got a 2010 Chevy Malibu here, 145,000 miles on this thing. Body is in pretty decent shape. It does have the sunroof on it, so this may be the top of the line version of this model. If we pop the hood on this bad boy, we have the 3.6 V6 in this thing. The VVT looks like we're missing a engine cover up top. Looks like does it have, yeah, it has coolant, so doesn't have any coolant issues. It has power steering fluid, so it may be a pretty decent running car. If we take a look at the inside, it does have some nice black leather interior. The seats are pretty good, no rips or nothing like that, so that's a plus. If we take a look at the inside, looks really fair. I don't see anything that stands out to me. Everything in here seems pretty intact and in order, so this may be a good one to buy, judging it doesn't go so high. Like I said, it was the LTZ. I knew it was going to be the top tier model, as it does have the sunroof. So this one is going to be a pretty good ride, man. What do you guys think about the Malibu, man? Let me know right now in the comments below. We got another Honda Accord, man. 2007, 206,000 miles on the dash. It does have the sunroof up top, so that's a plus. Body looks pretty fair. Headlights could be restored. It does have a sticker on the window, so this thing might have some issues. If you take a quick look at the inside, black interior is pretty decent. It does have these seat covers over it, so I could imagine what underneath the seat looks like, unless they just wanted to keep their car up to par, which I think that is the case. But if you guys take a look, no big deal. Everything in here seems to be intact. Like I said, it does have the sunroof, so that's a plus, man. It is the V6. Pretty decent little Honda. 200,000 miles on the dash, no body damage. This may be a one to bid on too, man. We got a good lineup today. What y'all think? Let me know about it in the comments below. We got a '06 Dodge Magnum, man. I remember when these things first came out, man. My dad had one on Deuces. I think it was looking freaking fly. But 122,000 miles on this one. Looks like the alternator is bad on this or something. I'm not sure. It says something on the window to that extent. But if we take a quick look under it, it does have the Hemi 5.7 Hemi V8, at least the engine cover on it. But it looked like this thing is pretty whooped. Oh yeah, it is the Hemi version. It came with the Hemi, so you got the 5.7 in there. Not really a fan of the Magnums anymore, man, but I mean, if you like it, I love it. Leather interior, wagon style. Need a radio. You got your rims on it already. It is the all-wheel drive. So that's that, man. I don't really care for it, but hey, if you like it, I love it, man. What y'all think about it, let me know in the comments below. All right, this one is more of a decent one, I guess. We got a '05 Pontiac Grand Prix, 158,000 miles. Really good looking car compared to the other one we seen earlier. Just based on these headlights right here, looks like they took a lot more care of their car than that other one did. We take a look underneath, doesn't look tampered with or touched at all. The mileage is pretty fair at 154,000 miles for an '05. It's actually really, really low. We got some decent little aftermarket wheels on here, I guess. We take a look at the inside. Does look pretty decent in here. Really, really decent. Looks like look like they have some music or something back there. And you got the little TV right there. So this one is actually pretty cool. I actually like this one right here. All the ones I've seen so far, I think I might be able to get this one for pretty cheap. I don't see any damage or anything on it like that, so we'll check this thing out when it comes through the auction, man. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. Alrighty, guys, we got a 2010 Honda Civic. Looks like 207,000 miles. They do have a broken axle on it. I'm guessing that's in the back. It looks like we got a slight tequila kick back there. A slight tequila kick back there. But if we check under the hood, nothing really seems out of the ordinary, I guess. Doesn't seem to be tampered with. But yeah, if we look back there, it does have like a little tequila kick. We'll get there in a second. Take a quick look at the inside. Inside is beige, pretty dirty. This is how they usually look. That other one was pretty clean, but this one is you know, it's a newer model, so I guess you can deal with it. Get that thing shampooed out. Looks like they took a bang right here, so you're gonna need to get that pulled out. This trunk is not even lined up, so that's gonna be another situation there. Yeah, I don't think I want nothing with a trunk that doesn't line up and a broken axle. That's just gonna cost a lot, and repairs probably more than what the car is gonna go for, so I'll leave it to you. Alrighty, guys, we got a 99 Honda Civic, 156,000 miles. Pretty decent of a car. It's got all matching wheels. Wow, that's a first. We don't ever see these things with all matching wheels, so we'll take a quick look at it. Oh no, that thing is dirty. It's heck in the inside. We don't even want that old, to be honest. 03 BMW 750. Don't want it. 130,000 miles. I don't care how many miles it got. I think it's a freaking piece. We don't want this one. We don't want that one. Definitely don't want the multicolored one. We don't want the old car, the old Honda rather. We got a G6, 07 G6, 232,000 miles. This one actually looks pretty fair, I guess. The mileage is pretty high. We can take a quick look. If you guys look at the steering wheel, this thing is completely turned. The wheels are straight. Other than that, I guess the interior is pretty fair. I don't know. It's just not really my thing. Tires look new. Not really new. Actually, not really new at all. The back one did. You can take a quick look under the hood. Doesn't look to be tampered with or nothing like that. We got some antifreeze in there. We got power steering and brake fluid or whatever. So this one might be something cool to check out when it comes through. We'll keep our eye on it though. It's definitely not a first choice. But if we keep rocking, man, we don't want the Honda with the missing bumper, you know, and a janky fender and all the little stickers and stuff on the window. I'm actually good on that one. I don't want the Nissan with the carbon fiber hood and 208,000 miles on it. Yeah, I'm gonna pass on that one. Don't want that. I don't want nothing back here, to be honest. They don't really got much. They got a rod noise in that van back there. I'm actually cool on the Caprice. Got another little Beamer. They got a little Prelude or whatever you want. I'm actually good on that. Gonna pass. This Beamer actually look 187,000 miles. I'm actually good. We got a 06 Mercedes, bad trans on this thing. 180,000 miles. Throw a transmission in it. But I'm good, man. I don't want to be chasing down nobody's problems. Nice looking little car though. 2006, 180,000 miles. It's probably the best looking one they got up here, but it is what it is. I don't know, a little Mazda, the little stagger daddies on it. The wheels make the car look cool, but it's just not gonna work for me. And we're missing one wheel, so can't do that one. Yeah, they literally only got like a few cars up here, y'all. So, you know, it is what it is. 126,000 miles on this Ram. Broken window. I don't know what's up with this one. 100. Pretty low mileage for this one, huh?
Yeah, but the starter.
Oh, the starter. Oh, okay. Bad starter.
Yeah.
Well, whoever get it may get a deal. They may.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Lucky.
Maybe. Where is the starter on this joint? Probably underneath, but it's the 3.7 V6 model, so it's not really worth much. We got an Acura 05 Acura MDX, 137,000 miles on it. Really nice looking truck, as it has the little fog lights, but it looks like they was off-roading and took a little spill right there. No big deal. Looks like they barely caught the little crash bar or whatever. So we'll just need a bumper. That that fender may still work. We can check out the inside. 137,000 miles. Still should be pretty decent. And we take a quick look at the inside. You got mud, leather seats. I mean, the inside could definitely use some detailing. Got a little TV right there. Got some little meaty off-road tires on this bad boy, but other than that, got a little ladder going to the top, which is cool. So that's a plus. Looks like they was the popo. Don't tread on me. I don't know. Pretty cool little Acura truck though, man. What y'all think about it? Let me know in the comments below, dog. So, alrighty guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Let me know what's your favorite ride on the list today. What would you pick? What would you bid on, and what would you bid up to? Man, let your boy know right now in the comments below. If you haven't already, visit everythingsregular.com. Go cop your merch, man. We got shirts, masks, shorts, car fresheners, whatever you want, man. We got it on there. Everythingsregular.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks everybody for tuning in today, man. Let's try to get a deal. But yeah, guys, until then, I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.